Hi, I'm Tyler, fulling mill fly tyer and designer, and today we're going to go back to bug of the month with a red annelid. We're going to start with a size 16 200R and Glo-Brite thread in a number 3. And secure this to the hook with about 4 overlapping wraps. This is the Anneworm, one of my fulling mill patterns. It's supposed to represent a worm and a red annelid. You can change what it kind of represents by changing the size. For an annelid, I'll fish this from a 16 down to a 22. For a worm, I'll fish this from an 18 up to a swimming larvae hook at a 14, which is relatively to a size 10 200R. So now I'm just spinning the thread. A good way to tell when it's nice and spun is it pops off that vise head right there. And we're going to wrap with even segments up to the top of the fly. Then we'll unspin. Give it a wrap, and then we're just going to make sure that thread's flat. And give it a 4-turn whip finish. Cut that nice and close. We're going to take our loon fin, give it a nice even coat. Like using a sewing needle, going to help get this into the riblets. We'll take our torch here and cure it. Like hitting it from a diagonal from both sides and then right off the top. And a good 360 with the light. And that's it. The red Anneworm, a pattern that's good from the San Juan down to the Pueblo tailwaters.